Welcome. Good morning to all of you. Dear student, last online lecture means last 2 days we discuss about study of continent in North America. North America continent is the third number largest continent on the world. There are 7 continents located on the earth's surface. Student, today we discuss about last chapter, study of continents, South America. As far as concerned, the study of these two continents, there is some similarity, some parallel ranges. For example, there are some parallel ranges located in one mountain area. It is called as parallel mountain range. For example, Himalaya mountain range. There are some parallel ranges. The K2 means Godwin Austen, then Kanchenjunga, then Himashikar, then Mount Everest. These all the mountains located in all the parallel ranges. It is called as Himalaya mountain range. Same thing, there is some similarity on these two continents, South America. First we discuss introduction part. South America is the 4th largest continent and it is a part of Latin America. Latin America is the name given to the region formed by South America, Central America, Mexico and the West Indies. Do you know the reason for this name? Latin was the language of the ancient Romans and number of European languages such as the Portuguese, Spanish and Italian have developed from this ancient language. People speaking this language are called the Latin people. The region is called Latin America because a large number of people, mainly from Portugal and Spain, had settled in these countries and today they form the majority of the population there. South America is also called Latin America. There is a two name of this continent, South America and Latin America. Why the exact reason behind that? Why the called is Latin America? Because Latin means European continent language, Latin language. The Latin people settle on that particular area, specific Mexico and West Indies. These countries are most of the population settled in European continent. These people, English and Spanish, Portuguese, these language commonly used on that particular region, but English is the first language and Spanish and Portuguese, this is the second language on these people. ये एरिया में यूरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट से जो लोग आए थे वो लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यहाँ पे सेटल है, इसीलिए ये कंट्री को, ये कॉन्टिनेंट को, साउथ अमेरिका को लैटिन कॉन्टिनेंट भी बोला जाता है. जैसे कि हमारे इंडिया में भी 150 ईयर, 150 साल कौन से लोग थे? अंग्रेजों ने राज किया, फिर हमें आजादी मिली, मतलब 15 अगस्त 1947 फ्रीडम मिला इंडिया को, करेक्ट, आजादी मिली. सेम थिंग यहाँ पे भी यूरोपियन कंट्रीज के जो लोग आए थे वो लोग ज्यादा वहां पे सेटल रह गए और अभी भी नाउअडेज देयर इज अ मोस्ट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, मेजॉरिटी वो लोगों की है कम्युनिटी. I think 99% population, the migration population, migrant people settle here and only 1% the original inhabitant. वहाँ के रहने वाले जो लोग हैं वो लोगों को बोला जाता है original inhabitant. Only 1% and 99% people other migrant people. Migrant means स्थलांतरित, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जो लोग जाते हैं उनको बोला जाता है migrant people, migration. Understood? This is the introduction of South America. South America is the 4th largest continent. Samartha, number 1, Asia continent. Number 2, Africa. Number 3, North America. Number 4, South America. Understood? As far as concerned in land, ये जमीन के हिसाब से कैलकुलेशन किया है. As far as population, China is the number 1 country and India is the second largest country. Only population, but land occupied to the geographical and geomorphological structure totally the continental area, length, size and shape. So this size and shape according to the geographical base, the South America is fourth number continent in the world. Location of the South America, most important point. South America is the fourth largest continent of the world. Number one, latitudes. South America lies between 12 degree north and 55 degree south latitudes. The equator passes through the northern part of the continent, almost at the mouth of the river Amazon. There is one important point on this continent. Suppose this is a earth. Equator is a center on the globe. 0 degree Celsius. Equator. 90 degree means North Pole. 90 degree South Pole. The exact latitudinal location. Latitude means horizontal imaginary line. Horizontal means this is called horizontal line. Horizontal imaginary parallel lines, it is called as latitude. There are 90 latitude in northern hemisphere and 90 latitude in southern hemisphere. You already learned. ये पहले आप लोगों को पता है. Latitude means these imaginary lines run from east to west. This is eastern hemisphere. This is western hemisphere. ईस्ट से लेकर वेस्ट तक जो इमेजिनरी लाइन है उनको बोला जाता है लैटिट्यूड. द एग्जैक्ट लैटिट्यूडनल लोकेशन ऑन साउथ अमेरिका, वो तो साउथ अमेरिका में, साउथ अमेरिका मतलब सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में, बट small part, small region located in northern hemisphere. So the exact latitudinal direction, location 12 degree north to 55 degree south. This is the exact location on South America, because some part located in northern hemisphere, correct, and some part located in southern hemisphere. 12 degree north to 55 degree south. Equator passes on the northern part of the South America continent. मतलब साउथ अमेरिका का कॉन्टिनेंट जो है, ये कॉन्टिनेंट का नॉर्दर्न वाला पार्ट वो नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में, लेकिन ज्यादा से ज्यादा पार्ट सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में, इसीलिए उनको बोला जाता है साउथ अमेरिका. साउथ अमेरिका commonly this word is used. South America is located in southern hemisphere, but smallest part located in northern hemisphere. Equator run from the some northern part of the South America continent, and equator पे ज्यादा cold temperature रहता है ना. इक्वेटर पे टेम्परेचर कैसा है उर्जित? हॉट. and North Pole में cold. Northern hemisphere, North Pole and South Pole temperature is extremely cold. Southern hemisphere there is a one continent located. Name of this continent? Antarctica continent. This continent totally glaciers available. पूरा के पूरा बर्फ है. ये अंटार्कटिका कॉन्टिनेंट में कोई भी ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं है. पूरा के पूरा बर्फ है. North Pole and South Pole, these two polar regions, the extremely cold temperature means totally ice or glaciers are available. And equatorial region, there is a very hot temperature. So that's why Africa continent located here. Africa continent is also called black continent. Africa continent is also called hottest continent. Q, what is the exact reason? Because Africa continent located on the hot zone near the equator. Equator पे ही है Africa continent, इसलिए टेम्परेचर ज्यादा है. The 12 degree north, northern hemisphere, smallest part located 0 degree to 12 degree, smallest part located in the northern hemisphere, but 0 degree to 55 degree part, 55 degree south, 55 degree south, 0 degree means equator to 55 degree south pole. It means that most located in southern hemisphere. You understood in the latitudinal location of South America? आप लोगों को समझ में आया साउथ अमेरिका कहाँ पे है? 12 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 55 डिग्री साउथ. नेक्स्ट, longitudinal location. South America extend between 35 degree west and 81 degree west. Same thing. Longitude means vertical imaginary line. It is called as vertical imaginary line. It is called as longitude. These are the horizontal. Horizontal means आडव्या. Vertical means उभ्या. One axis joined from north pole to south pole. It is called as same thing. 0 degree latitude is called equator. 0 degree longitude it is called as प्राइम मेरिडियन. जैसे लैटिट्यूड में सेंटर में जो है 0 डिग्री का उनको इक्वेटर बोला जाता है, वैसे लॉन्गिट्यूड में जो 0 पे है सेंटर में उनको बोला जाता है प्राइम मेरिडियन. प्राइम मेरिडियन मींस 0 डिग्री. देयर आर 180 longitude in eastern hemisphere. Longitudes are semicircle. This way, longitudes are semicircle line. That type longitudes are vertical imaginary line, but these are the semicircle lines. Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. The exact longitudinal location on South America 35 degree west to 81 degree west. मतलब यहाँ से साउथ अमेरिका की बॉर्डर स्टार्ट होती है ये लॉन्गिट्यूडनल में, ये है 35 डिग्री वेस्ट. वेस्ट क्यों है? क्योंकि वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में इंडिया का ईस्ट आता है, क्योंकि हमारा इंडिया इज लोकेटेड इन नॉर्दर्न एंड ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. साउथ अमेरिका इज लोकेटेड इन southern western hemisphere. Understood? 35 degree west to 81 degree west. These are the longitudinal extent, longitudinal location on the globe. समझ में आया? पूरे ग्लोब में टोटल अर्थ पे साउथ अमेरिका कॉन्टिनेंट का लोकेशन है लैटिट्यूडनल लोकेशन 12 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 55 डिग्री साउथ एंड लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लोकेशन 35 डिग्री वेस्ट टू 81 डिग्री वेस्ट. These are the parallel imaginary line. 0 degree equator to 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ पोल, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में 90 लैटिट्यूड. सेम थिंग नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में 90 लैटिट्यूड. 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड इज कॉल्ड प्राइम मेरिडियन. 180 longitude in eastern hemisphere and same thing 180 longitude in western hemisphere. 180 and 180 total longitude 360. Longitude 90 plus 90 मतलब सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में 90, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में 90, 90 plus 90 plus 1 इक्वेटर 181 latitude. On the globe there is a 181 latitude, 360 longitude. Understood? Yes. Next point, boundaries. Third number point, boundaries. South America is almost surrounded by ocean except in the north where it is joined to North America by the Isthmus of Panama. It has the Pacific Ocean in the west and the Atlantic Ocean on the east. The southernmost tip of South America is known as the Cape Horn. There is a boundaries, the boundary line on the South America. You look at the picture, the physical or political map of South America. There is almost boundary, water bodies, big water bodies, ocean the western sides of South America there is a Pacific Ocean, and eastern sides of South America there is an Atlantic Ocean. The southern part of South America, the Cape of Horn, and the northern parts of South America there is a joint from North America to South America. ये दोनों जो कॉन्टिनेंट है, नॉर्थ अमेरिका साउथ अमेरिका, ये दोनों ओशन में वाटर बॉडीज में एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन है यहाँ पे. सपोज देयर इज अ नॉर्थ अमेरिका, देयर इज अ साउथ अमेरिका, दिस टू कॉन्टिनेंट ज्वाइन फ्रॉम Isthmus of Panama Canal. Isthmus of Panama Canal join from North America to South America. So this is a boundary. Most of the part located in the coastal region. Understood? Because Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, two big side water bodies are located. ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतलब ओशन का पानी वाटर जो है वो साउथ अमेरिका की बॉर्डर है. देयर इज नो बिग कॉन्टिनेंट, द सराउंडिंग रीजन्स आर देयर. मतलब ऐसा कोई बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट उनके बाजू में नहीं है, वाटर बॉडी अवेलेबल है. अंडरस्टूड? बाउंड्रीज. बाउंड्रीज मीन्स व्हाट इज मीनिंग बाय बाउंड्रीज? Boundaries means border, one country to another country. There is some important geographical lines. It is called as boundaries. For example, India and Pakistan, these two countries is very good friend from each other. So that's why there is a one boundary line in near about the Jammu Kashmir. This boundary line is called as Wagah border. Correct? 4 number point, coastline. South America has a smooth coastline except in the extreme southwest. The only sites for good harbors lie at the mouth of the river. There is an extremely coastline, the smooth coastline available in South America coastal area. There are number of harbors located in the mouth of the river. What is mean by harbors? There is a new word, harbors. What is mean by harbors? जहां पे शिप और बोट स्टार्ट होती है ओशन में, उनको बोला जाता है हार्बर्स, और उनको हिंदी और मराठी में बोला जाता है बंदर. बंदर मतलब मंकी नहीं है. शिप और बोट का स्टेशन, इट इज कॉल्ड एज हार्बर. ओके, शिप और बोटिंग का स्टेशन, इट इज कॉल्ड एज हार्बर्स. सो नंबर ऑफ हार्बर्स लोकेटेड इन रिवर माउथ एरिया, बिकॉज दिस कॉन्टिनेंट the waterway transportation facility, most of the use on the trade and transportation. Business के लिए waterway transportation facility का यूज ज्यादा करते हैं. Understood? There are 4 types of transportation: roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. So the number of water bodies located, the big oceans are located. So that's why this continent used in waterway transportation facility. So the coastline is very smooth and good on South America. 5 number point, islands. There are a few islands of the coast of South America. The Galapagos Island lie at the equator in the Pacific Ocean. The Falkland Island, which are a crown territory of United Kingdom, lie off the southeast coast in the Atlantic Ocean. There are islands, very good island located near about the South America continent. Every continent there is a specific island. For example, the India, the southern part of our India, there is some island, Lakshadweep Island, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, same thing, Galapagos Island located near the equator. Near the equator on the western side, Pacific Ocean, there is some important island. Name of this island, Galapagos Island. Okay, island means all side water bodies. Island means a piece of a land surrounded by all side water bodies. Then Falkland Island, located near the United Kingdom. The Terra del Fuego is a group of islands found at the southern tip of the continent. It is separated by the Strait of Magellan of all the continents. South America has the most familiar shape of giant, the triangle. South America shape, the triangular shape. South America का shape कैसा है? Giant triangle, triangular shape है. So the southern parts of this South America, there is a one island group located, small island located in the surrounding regions. It is called as group of island this group of island is called the Terra del Fuego. This island name is Terra del Fuego. Understood island? The land. Next point, the land. South America is a continent of physical variation. The continent can be divided into the 4 major regions. Land is not same in overall South America. South America is a very big or triangular continent. The triangular shaped continent. Each and every part there is a different landforms available. Some part is located plain region. Some parts are plateau. Some parts of the big mountain regions. So that's why geographically divided on the landforms. पूरे के पूरे फिजियोग्राफिकल डिवीजन साउथ अमेरिका की एक जैसी नहीं है, इसलिए ज्योग्राफर लोगों ने, जियोमॉर्फोलॉजिस्ट लोगों ने पूरे के पूरे साउथ अमेरिका के कितने पार्ट किए हैं? फिजियोग्राफिक डिवीजन, 4 फिजियोग्राफिकल डिवीजन, 4 फिजिकल डिवीजन. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 100. There is a political map of South America. Look at the picture of South America map. This is a triangular shape, correct? The physical division, there are 4 physical division. Number 1, the western coastal strip. Number 2, the western mountains. Number 3, the central plains. And number 4, the eastern highland. These are the 4 physical features of South America. We detail explain each and every physical features. Number 1, the western coastal strip. Along the western coast, there is a narrow strip of lowland stretching from north to south. Chile occupies the southern half of this lowland. The Atacama Desert lies in this coastal strip. Coastal strip, the western coastal strip. Western sides of this continent, there is a big coastal area. Pacific Ocean located all the border of western side. यहाँ पे ये पूरे के पूरे western sides में South America, there is a Pacific Ocean, and Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Correct? The western coastal strip, coastal area है, एक strip है. Strip मतलब बहुत बड़ी strip है. And one more interesting thing, the surrounding regions of this western coastal, there is a very big desert. Name of this desert, Atacama Desert. Sahara Desert, number 1 desert. पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे बड़ा Sahara Desert is the number 1 desert located in Africa. Atacama Desert, second largest desert located in South America. इंडिया में भी एक डेजर्ट है. नेम ऑफ द इंडियन डेजर्ट, इंडिया में जो डेजर्ट है उनका नाम, हाँ, थार डेजर्ट. करेक्ट. Atacama Desert located in the western coastal area, the western strip, and these regions is also called the strip regions or the desert region. And some important lowland located in the coastal strip region. Lowland मतलब कुछ एरिया में बहुत हाइट कम है, कुछ एरिया में डेजर्ट है. एक साइड में बहुत बड़ी वाटर बॉडी है और वाटर बॉडी के साइड में डेजर्ट है. देखो द वेरियस डिफिकल्टीज ऑफ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन अवेलेबल ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन्स. वहां पे कितना एक्सट्रीम लेवल का क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन है. एक साइड में ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट, उनके बाजू में हॉट क्लाइमेट, उनके साइड में कोल्ड क्लाइमेट. देयर इज अ डिफरेंट क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन अवेलेबल on this area. Because coastal area there is a humid climate, desert regions, these areas are the hot and humid climate, and the surrounding, near the surrounding eastern sides there is a very cold climate. So the various climatic condition is very different on the coastal strip. The first number physical division, the western coastal strip. Understood? Second number physical division, the western mountains. The mountains from the almost wall along the western coast of South America. This mountain system is called the Andes mountain. Andes are young cold mountain. The Andes are called young cold mountain because they have been formed during the recent period of the earth history. Andes mountain run from the Caribbean Sea in the north to the southern tip of South America. Second number, the western mountain regions. North America, there is a one mountain range, Rocky Mountain Range. Correct? South America, there is a young cold mountain range. These mountain range are called Andes Mountain. Andes Mountain is a young cold mountain. What is the exact reason? The young cold mountain means वो अभी हमारी हिस्ट्री जो डेवलप हुई है, ज्योग्राफी और हिस्ट्री, मतलब ज्योग्राफी की हिस्ट्री, अकॉर्डिंग टू द अल्फ्रेड वेगनर कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट थ्योरी, according to the Alfred Wegener continental drift theory, or all the plates, all the continents move from each other because the subduction zone on the interior of the earth surface, there is a magma, volcanoes are available. These volcanoes, the spread on the earth surface and develop the mountain range. ये young cold mountain कैसे develop हुए? अर्थ में जो volcano है, volcano spread हुआ and develop the mountain regions. This called young cold mountain. ये earthquake की वजह से जब अर्थ एक दूसरे से दूर चली गई, प्लेट्स, कॉन्टिनेंट, तो कुछ एरिया में सबडक्शन एक्टिविटी हो गई, ये माउंटेन डेवलप हो गई. तो अर्थ की हिस्ट्री में ये अभी डेवलप हुए हैं, न्यू माउंटेन है, इसलिए ये माउंटेन को एंडीज को बोला जाता है यंग कोल्ड माउंटेन. हिमालय माउंटेन रेंज इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड यंग कोल्ड माउंटेन. हमारे इंडिया पे हिमालय माउंटेन है, उनको भी यंग कोल्ड माउंटेन बोला जाता है. सेम थिंग, एंडीज माउंटेन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड यंग कोल्ड माउंटेन. Understood? Remaining part on the chapter we will discuss about next online lecture. Okay?